am currently separating some clothes, like raiding my closet, and just doing donation bags, because I mean there's so much here and I still, like you saw, I have a few clothing bags already, and there's so much that we don't need. Sometimes we have excess, and I think it's important to have some solidarity and give to those in need. And I'm also putting out the fall clothing, you know, just to entertain myself since we don't have any lights or electricity or anything. Alright guys, so I just finished doing the whole decluttering, and I have 2 bags to donate, so I'm super happy, feeling accomplished. And I have a pink eye. There's like a pink eye spread around here, so we're all like this in the house. It was worse, so I'm not gonna keep vlogging with this eye like this, but I will be going around for a bit. So if you're from Puerto Rico and like I said, if nothing has happened to your house or anything, you haven't lost anything, I really persuade you to just maybe declutter a little bit and give out some clothing. There's a lot of refugees around the schools here, so don't hesitate to do so. There's a lot of stuff that we don't need, especially now, so why not give to somebody in need who doesn't have a home or anything to wear, and not even a pair of sandals. So be sure to do that. There's a lot of people that are suffering, and it's really, really sad. So I am totally blessed that I haven't lost anything, and I still have to go a little bit through the struggle, but I know that I am fully blessed. So it is so freaking hot, and it's the only way we can get some internet today. So there's a few cars today. There's not a lot because there's other places that have a little bit of signal, but that's what we have to do to stay communicated. So we'll see if I can upload videos this way for now. So this is literally the only way to get internet around here, or either the highway or going very far just to the Met area, because there's no signal where I live. I mean, there's a little bit you can call and stuff, but it'll just fade away if you don't have LTE.
Gave you too much, now I'm swallowed. Now I'm the fool while you're breaking rules. Dangerous path that I follow.
That dumpster that we have in our soccer field from Levitan. This is really, really sad because kids train there, and they won't be able to for a very long time, or play or anything at all. And the track is destroyed. The pool is also destroyed due to the hurricane, and all of that trash, they're just dumping it in there, which is really wrong. Like, people are just bringing it there just because they don't want the trash in front of their house, and it's just wrong. It's selfish and wrong, because it just, kids can't go to school, they can't play where they're supposed to, so they have to around their houses, which is fine, but they don't have anything else to motivate them, so that's just upsetting. There's no motivation here in Puerto Rico. This is sad. Like, I'm already to that point where do we have a future here? Same with blogging. It's a little hard, but it's just overall there's very few things. Like, we were searching for jobs today because we're not working right now. So, and there's nothing anywhere. It's so hard here. A lot of people are leaving to Florida. I feel like they're having more of a future over there. We're having more of a future in the States right now, and it's just really, really just sad, because Puerto Rico has so much potential, but we're not being given that opportunity, basically. So yeah, that's a little bit of our little road trip today. Today is October 2nd, and there's still no sign of goodness. Like, some places have light and water. We just got water like yesterday, and but still no light, no internet, no nothing. So I don't work. I have 2 jobs and I'm not working, so yeah.
I used to walk these roads with you.